Hello, everyone. Welcome to Northville District Library's Adult Crafting monthly series. This month, we will be making a DIY tiered tray. So, in a kit that you may have been provided and or materials that you will need to make this craft are the following things. You will need a larger ceramic plate. There are these square ones that you can get at Dollar Tree. And then you'll also want to have a smaller plate or a bowl. So in the kits, you were provided a bowl. This is also from Dollar Tree, but a small like salad plate rather than a dinner plate would work as well. This one's going to go on top. And then between these two will be a candlestick holder. This is the glass one from Dollar Tree. To decorate this, you can use acrylic paint of any type, any color. This tube was provided in your kit. And then to apply this, you will want to use like a little brush, any size really, to use that. An adhesive, we can use a glue gun. You can also use super glue or like a tacky glue or another type of epoxy like E6000. Okay, so we're going to switch over to the overhead camera and get started with this craft.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wash these ceramics. I just use some basic dish soap and water, obviously. And they say the best way to clean your plates is after using the dish soap and water. If you have rubbing alcohol, to clean off the soap residue, any soap residue that might still be there. And then you're going to want to let it air dry. It will take about an hour or 2 hours to do that. However, in this craft, just for a tutorial, I just use simple dish soap and a dish rag to dry it. And I did the same with the bowl. So before we're going to glue all these pieces together, we're going to do some decoration. So I have this beautiful purple paint, and I'm just going to use a little piece of cardboard as my palette. And so I'll just spread this out. You can use whatever design you want. You can make it as intricate or as simple as you want. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to make it fairly simplistic and basic. Alright, so I'm just going to dip my paintbrush into this paint and apply it onto the plate as such. To help with your designs, you can use stencils, you can use painter's tape to make like straight lines, or you can freehand. If you were planning on doing some lettering, you can use a paint pen. We provided paint pens for our October craft. You can get them online at Amazon or at Michael's. There might be some at the dollar store, but a place like Michael's or Joann's should have them very inexpensive. I'm gonna let this dry. We're gonna set this aside and I will start work on the bowl. Okay, now we are working on the bowl, and I'm just gonna spread more paint on this cardboard. I'm using generous amounts of paint. Let's see. All right, now that the paint has dried, we are going to take our candlestick, and I'm using a glue gun, but like I said, you can use a different type of adhesive, either like super glue, tacky glue, or like an epoxy. Depends on what you're going to be putting on this plate. I will be using this in like a bathroom setting, so I'm not going to have any food on this, so I don't have to be concerned with contaminants. All right, that was hot. So you're just going to want to line the bottom of this candlestick with glue. Nope. It dries really fast, so you're going to want to put it down. Alright, that feels pretty good. Alright, so I just had to grab another glue stick here, but I'm going to add some glue to the top of this candlestick. And place the bowl on top. All right, so it dried very quickly. So there you go. And now you can place whatever you want on the top and the bottom, and a nice little decorative piece.